Okay, we go to the bottom of the third. Number 15 is up. He's the second place hitter. He reached on an error in the first. Casey back on the mound for Bandits. First pitch. Foul. 0-1. Pitch. Inside. 1-1. It's got an overcast for this half inning. At least the beginning of the inning. Grounder to second. Oh, first. Adam to Casey. He's out. 3-1 on the putout. Number 8 is up. He's the third place hitter. One out, bottom of the third. Fouled over the backstop. Pitch. It's high. 1-1. 8 walked in the first inning. Grounder to third. Ellis to Adam. 2 men out. 6 pitches, 2 outs. Number 12 is up. He's a cleanup hitter. He flew out to Donnell in the first. Pitch from Casey. Grounder to third. That was a tough chance. 5 hitters coming up. Runner at first, 2 men out. Pitch home. Fouled out of play. Fouled to the backstep. Step up. He grounded to Casey his first time up. Oh and 1. Just outside, 1-1. Pitch home. Grounded, foul. 1 and 2. Out of baseballs already. Game 1. Pitch. It's lofted to left. Max catches it. That's the third out. End of 3. It's 9-2 Bandits.